everybody, welcome back to Southeast by Midwest. I'm Cassie, and today we are going to be unboxing the July Boxycharm and reviewing some of the June products. So if you want to know what I thought of some of the June products and what I got in my July Boxycharm, just keep watching. Always here on Southeast by Midwest, before we talk about products, we always disclose. And the disclosure for this video and corresponding blog post is that there's not really anything to disclose except for if you use my referral link, I do get charm points that I can use in the charm store to get products either discounted or for free, which I will then review either with it or separate. I got one coming, I haven't decided I'm going to do it yet. So it helps me to get other products. That's all I got for the disclosure. Before we talk about the products, let's talk about what Boxycharm actually is. You get 4 to 5 full-size products. It costs $21 a month. There is a bit of a discount for subscribing for 3, 6, and 1 year. Canceling is easy. You just go into your account also and click cancel. And then you also, for referring people, for reviewing products, for staying subscribed, you get different charms which can be used in the charm shop for full-size products, which I mentioned earlier. So, wanted to get that out. Let's get into the June review. As I mentioned, June, I will only be reviewing some of the products because I haven't gotten rid of it yet, but I know I would only use the eyeliner for like reviewing this, and with the eyeliners, I'm a little iffy even giving those to family after I've used them. So I went on ahead and put that to the side. I think I have it listed on My Subscription Addiction, the swap site version, their swap version of the site, or side of the site. So let's talk about some products from June. So the first product that we can talk about is this, I don't know where I'm going to put my little box that has my extra stuff in it, the Allure palette. Now the Allure palette was the eyeshadow palette that was included in the June box. This is the company, Allure is the company that is done by Gabby, the girl who does a lot of the social media on IG for Boxycharm. I think she's like the makeup artist for Boxycharm. She does the makeup tutorials. She's also done Kathleen Lights' makeup in like her KL polish videos and stuff like that. So I really like the vibe that Gabby puts off. She seems like a genuinely sweet girl, and I really wanted to love this palette, and for the most part I do. The colors are gorgeous. It is amazing. Hang on, we all know I suck at swatching, so that's the Cocoa Taxi. This one feels like super soft and velvety. This is Tropico. I apologize for butchering this. I really do, people. I'm not even going to try for this bottom shade to pronounce that. Guantanamera. It has a similar gritty feeling as Cocoa Taxi, but it's not as bad. However, it is a bit patchy. And see, I'm curving. I don't know why I'm curving. And then this last one is Cafecito. Again, I apologize for butchering the language. That is this one right there. Then we have the shimmer shades up at the top. This is La Costa. Let me try to go more this way. This is La Costa. You can't really see it. It blends in. This one is stunning. This is El Macion, and it looks gold, but it's got kind of a greenish vibe to it. Gorgeous. Love it. Stunning. Favorite shade out of the palette. Now I want to like this next shade, this Veradero shade, but it's blue and my eyes are blue. Oh, I double swiped, that's my bad. My eyes are blue, so blues tend to get lost on me. This is still gorgeous and stunning. And then the last shade is Celia, and it's this like sea green shade, and oh my god, y'all, with my arm, I can't even. It's gorgeous, it's stunning, love it, love it, love it, love it. So the shimmer shades are all good. I am wearing La Costa on the inner portion of my eye today. It does have a little bit of fallout, which I kind of expect with shimmer shades in all honesty. So I really love the shades. Some of them just do feel a little gritty, and this kind of maroon shade here is a little bit patchy, but overall this is a good palette. Another product I wanted to love, Sol de Janeiro Brazilian Bum Bum Cream. Heard it had that nice beachy scent to it. It's so amazing. It firms, it firms. I don't like it. It doesn't smell beachy, it smells perfumey. It stinks. I don't like it. It gives me a headache when I sniff it, and it didn't firm anything anywhere. I rubbed it on my hands, they didn't look firm. I mean, I guess you're supposed to do it over a couple of uses, but I can't get past the headache that I get using it. And the hub smelled it, Travis smelled it, and he was like, so that's just what I want. My husband to be like, girl, you stink. No. So I'm going to send this to my mom and my sister, and maybe one of them will like it. Another product I wanted to love, the Ofra Cosmetics Liquid Lipstick in Verona. And it goes on creamy. It's supposed to be a long-lasting liquid lipstick. Went on creamy. And then did not dry out. I was steadily every like 30 minutes like kissing my hand and another print would come off, and I was like, so this is not transfer proof, this is not life proof. I don't understand it. So I'm assuming it's not kiss proof. I didn't try it. On top of that, it settles into every line, dry patch, all of that kind of stuff that you have on your lips. So if you exfoliate and you still have a little bit of like dryness behind, this is going to settle in. So for it to do that and not to be transfer proof was just a little annoying. Lastly, we have a Luxie brush set. We have the Precision Foundation brush. I used it again this morning. Love it. It is great. It leaves a little bit of brush strokes when you first are going on, but after, if you keep going, it kind of goes away with them. We have the tapered highlighter. I used this today to apply some, you know, subtle highlight. I didn't go all in, so I love that for being able to do that. I was able to just apply just a little and it not look overpowering because I am wearing a radiant foundation. And then the last one is the Duo Fiber brush. This is really the first Duo Fiber powder brush that I've had, and I really, really like it. I kind of want to get another one to compare and see if it's just the Luxie one I like, or if I really like Duo Fiber brushes. Where have I been? Now, let's unbox July. July's theme is road trippin'. So I guess these products are supposed to be good for road trips. Yeah, okay. The first product is the Dr. Brandt Needles No More, No More Baggage Eye Depuffing Gel. You open it up and it's got like a little applicator like so. This retails for $42. This is the Wonder, everything is like so backwards. The Wonder Unleashed, this is from swatching, Volume and Curl Mascara. It's one of those ones where it's like the squeezy tube and then you open it and it comes out. The wand looks like so. This retails for $24. Next we have the Cella Tantalizing Taupe Eyebrow Cream. This actually comes apart. You untwist one end and you have the eye cream inside, and then you pull off the other end and you have the brush to dip in and do your brows. So we shall see how that works out. This retails for $26. Next we have this Note Luminous Silk Blush in the shade Desert Rose. This has some nice packaging. It looks like so. We'll go on ahead because I've already taken photos. That's the swatch. And when you lift it up, there is a little brush inside. This retails for $12. Last, we have the Crown Eyeshadow Palette. And this retails, I'm going to just go ahead and tell you, for like 30 bucks. I'm the only one that thought Crown was supposed to be like cheaper products. Looks like this. There was supposed to be an either or kind of a thing. You either got this or the Tarte Radiant Spray, which is what I wanted. And the only people I've seen with the Tarte Spray are the PR people. I haven't seen anybody else unbox the Tarte Spray. Everybody's been unboxing this palette. But this is what the palette looks like. There is a mirror and all these dings and dents. I don't know if you'll be able to see them, but like this shade here has like a groove bitten in. This brown shade here looks like it has like a swatch over in this corner. I don't know if you'll be able to see all that or not, but that's actually how the palette came. I haven't touched this. So let's try to swatch some of the shades. I'm going to swatch this like really, this lightest shade down here. I'm going to go in for this like sparkly shade, and then I'm going to go in for the one that someone already swatched there. Alright, so we're going to do the lightest shade over the blush. We're going to do the shimmery shade over that one, and then we're going to do the already swatched one over that one. Alright, so the light one has some shimmer to it. I thought that was matte, but it's actually got some shimmer to it. The one above that really does have some shimmer to it. Let's try to block my face. But it also has some fallout to it, and then that one looks a little patchy, but we'll have to see. As you can tell, I'm a little kind of unforgiving when it comes to eyeshadow palettes. You know, forgive me, sorry. But at this point in time, you should be able to do eyeshadow palettes good, I think. I couldn't do them good, so I don't do them. But brands should be able to do them, especially someone like Crown. And if you're going to charge $30, which seems a bit high for your brand, you should be able to put out something that doesn't have fallout and isn't patchy. That's what I expect from like your $12.99 palettes, not from your $30 palettes. Anywho. My thoughts on Boxycharm for the month, as you saw my review of the June products. For July, like I said, I was a bit miffed that I didn't get the Tarte product, especially since I haven't seen any kind of normal people get it in the unboxings that I have watched. Now, I'm not saying that they haven't in groups mentioned it. I am in a couple of groups, but I just haven't had the time to go look. And the other products were all kind of eh for me, so this month's box is eh. But I don't see myself unsubscribing soon, because for $21, 4 to 5 full-size products, it's kind of, you know, want to stay with it. Because for some of the products, like I was going to review the Allure product, the Allure palette by itself, but it went out of stock, so that's why I went on ahead and just put it in here. So there are some products that I can pull out and review separately, and on top of that, I can get the charms to review products separately as well. So that is part of the reason why I stay subscribed. Hopefully you found this unboxing fun and informative. If you did, make sure to give it a thumbs up. Share it with all your friends. It really does help. Make sure to follow me on the social media link down below. Also, make sure to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you don't miss any videos. Let me know in the comments down below what your favorite item from this month's box was. If you don't get it from what you just saw, what was your favorite item? And until next time, bye!